Insurance brokers often spend hours extracting and comparing data from multiple quotations, be it PDFs, Excel sheets, or scanned documents. This slows down decision-making, introduces manual errors, and limits scalability. To solve this, Soothsayer built an AI-powered solution using our GenAI platform, AuGENT, integrated with Azure OpenAI and Azure Intelligent Document Processing. Let's see how it works. The process starts by uploading one or more insurance quotations. These could be in any format: PDF, Excel, or image scans. The system automatically processes each file, extracting key information such as premiums, copay percentages, coverage limits, disease-wise benefits, exclusions, and add-ons. Using prompt engineering and intelligent parsing, the data is cleaned, validated, and converted into a structured JSON format, ready for further analysis. Here you can instantly view a comparison table generated from the extracted data, highlighting differences across key metrics. The platform acts as a decision support system, helping experts move faster and with more confidence. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes, with over 90% extraction accuracy and the ability to handle hundreds of quotations daily. By automating extraction, validation, and comparison, the solution significantly improves speed, scalability, and accuracy, allowing insurance teams to focus more on customer engagement and business growth. This is how Soothsayer is helping future-proof insurance workflows with the power of GenAI.